Let's go look at the next thing, the wheels and tires. So we're going to see how much life the tires have left, but before that, let's make sure all 4 wheels and tires are the same and not damaged. So the first thing we want to do is make sure all the tires are the same. In the front we have BF Goodridge's. I checked the other side and it's the same. Now I checked the rear and both rear tires are the same, but they're a different brand from the front. Now this isn't the greatest setup, but as long as the tires are all the same size, and as long as the tires in the front match and the tires in the rear match, that's okay. What you don't want to see is a different tire on each corner. Next, make sure all your rims are the same. I had a friend who bought a car and there were 2 of the same rims on one side, but on the other side the rims were different, and he didn't even notice this until I pointed it out after he bought the car. Now I don't know about you, but these wheels do not look good on this car at all. On top of that, these wheels have a ton of curb rash all around the rim and the paint is chipping off, so this right here is a big expense. The last thing to check is how much life do the tires have left, since new tires are expensive. To do this, if you have some loose change, grab a penny and use the top of Abe Lincoln's head and put it in the groove of the tire. In the front, Abe Lincoln's head is covered by the tread, so there's plenty of tread left, but in the rear, you can see the top of Abe Lincoln's head, which means you need new tires. And if you don't have a penny, there's a wear indicator band in the tread of the tire. So when that band is touching the edge of the tread, that means you need new tires right away. Now these rear tires here would be dangerous to drive on in the rain or the snow. Make sure you go ahead and check each tire, and on this car the front tires are in good shape, but the rear tires need to be replaced. Tires are very important for safety and they could get expensive,